Welcome back, guys. This is part 2 of unboxing of these glitgate lights sent to us for review and testing. Please go watch the first video if you haven't already, or else this video will make 0 sense to you. But we are going to take these bolts, let them drop, thread them in, just like that. Put on one. Okay. That one is bolted together. So basically what I'm going to do is, got some old extension cords. I'm going to cut them to length, because I'm going to set these probably 3 feet apart, or maybe 5 feet. One here, and then one over here. And then I'm going to go on eBay and order myself some ends, so I can connect those. And I think for now I got an end up there from extension cord that got cut by accident, and I'm gonna go get that and put it on here for now, so we can light that area up, so I can start cleaning over there, like over here, and because the wrapper cart's over there right now, and I want it all organized and they all lined up in there and everything. So we're gonna do that. We got some concrete work to do in there too. So hopefully I get my jackhammer going again, or we can have our friends over at Deco Tools send us electric one. We tried out with the Duramax 12,000 generator, which we might be pulling the motor off that for the tractor, because that's a 500cc electric start motor. But we do have 2 other little generators I could use for that, so I might go ahead and pull that motor off if I don't end up ordering a motor in the next couple weeks for the tractor, because I want to drive my tractor, guys. And yeah. Well, while we're here, I'll also unbox the other one. Got one light already. One light ready to go. Drop the bolt down there. I'm pretty sure it's the same, besides I think it's a lower wattage. One of them's a higher wattage, and I think one of them's a lower wattage, if I remember correctly. I don't know if they're the same size either. If there ain't, I'll put the bigger one at the far end and then this one in the middle. And then we got that floodlight facing down, which we might take that out. I don't know yet. But it's practically the same, basically. Got the little stand. Got the bolt hardware. Got the Allen key. Light right here, I think it might be smaller. Yes, it is smaller. Okay. That's not that big of a deal. Now, if you didn't watch the first video, they did send us the wrong lights, so we're going to try to make it work because I wasn't around to refuse the delivery, and I don't feel like shipping these back because I hate doing these things. I honestly do. If they made it more simple or easier, that'd be one thing, but it's such a headache. Oh, you didn't package the item right when you did package the item right, and that's why I video record everything now. Not only because of my YouTube channel, but I video record all my deliveries and stuff, and because I had UPS one time not deliver a package which turned out to be a $7,000 item, and they basically said they delivered it and they can't do anything until I sent them the video and got my money back. Because basically the driver was tricking them, and basically what's going on. The driver was tricking them, or tricking the GPS is what the person on the phone said. And then that one guy came back here and basically did the same thing. And he wanted to provide, I didn't get a video of him that time, but he wanted to provide me pictures or video of delivering the item, and they didn't do anything but my bank. But there we go, it's basically the same concept on that. It's a little smaller, but please like, subscribe, comment, share this channel. Catch you on the next one. These are glitgate lights. Thanks for watching.